naman tayo sa ating travel vlog. Ayan, puro na lang kasi travel yung aking mga video. So, ngayon, pupunta tayo ng Penang, Malaysia. So, after ilang months na hindi ako nakapag-travel, ngayon na ulit tayo mag-travel. So, ayan, samahan niyo ulit ako sa aking journey papuntang Penang, Malaysia. So yeah, we got it. My ticket to Penang. Let's go. So yun guys, nakuha ko na yung ticket ko papuntang Penang. Short trip lang naman to, parang weekend lang naman. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Terminal 2, which is yung bagong attraction dito na waterfall, Leeds Waterfall. Let's go! So, bago tayo mag-flight, kain muna tayo dito.
Yeah.
Design ng porridge. Tapos nang kumain, punta tayo sa gate. Let's go sa gate, guys. So guys, ito ang loob ng Terminal 2 Transit. Actually, kaka-renovate lang nito, guys. So, you see? It's so nice. Let's go. Inside, you can see the fish over there. A garden in the transit area. There you go. So, puntahan natin itong isa. Pwede kang umapak para siyang aquarium, pero nandun sa baba yung mga fish. Are you excited much? There you go. Yan. Okay. Lakad tayo and hanap tayo ng isda. Wala tayong mahanap ng isda. Ayun! Nakikita nyo yung pala. Ayun yung fish. Yan. And sa taas na to, ganyan. Wow! Parang totoong langit. Diba? There you go. Ayun yung fish. Okay, so let's go na. Baka mahuli pa tayo sa flight. Lakad na tayo. Tara na. So yeah, let's go. Let's go.
First of all, let me thank you for your property. All set to go. We're just waiting for one more cargo door to close and we should be on our way. Some instructions are with me on the flight. I have got my colleague, Customs Officer Gerald. Cabin, we have got crew in charge of these units together with the rest of our workforce cabin crew and ensure you're well looked after. Flight time today, 1 hour. So, a bit of a taxi to the runway just behind us, a bit of female runway to the center inside your direction.
Attention, another
pretty much small.
Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines. As the safety equipment on this aircraft may differ from that of other aircraft, please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore. Inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs or blowing into the mouthpiece. Life vests have a whistle.
morning, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments and remember to take all your belongings with you. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Yan. Dito na tayo guys. So, thank you. Bye-bye. Let's go. Here. Ayan. Chapter 1. Welcome to Penang. So guys, after 1 hour of queuing sa immigration dito, grabe, nakakaloka guys. Asa na yung aming mga luggage? Yan. Kita ko na ang aking luggage. There you go. Ang luggage. Yan. Yung pink. So, nandito na ako sa Penang, Malaysia guys. Yun lang. Salamat sa pagsama sa aking video for today. So, susunod na lang yung mga next kong video sa adventure ko dito sa Malaysia, Penang. So, thank you for watching guys. Stay safe. God bless everyone. And see you in my next vlog. Bye!